Before installing your Bold car seat, please review your car seat instruction manual. Always remember to properly install the car seat on your vehicle seat before placing your child in it. The Bold can be used forward-facing with the 5-point harness for children from 9 to 25 kilograms, which is approximately 1 to 7 years old. There are 3 recline positions for forward-facing. Align one of the top red arrows with the bottom reclining indicator. The bottom of the headrest should be even with the child's shoulders and can be adjusted to one of 11 heights for proper positioning. Place the booster forward-facing on the vehicle seat. Press the ISO-Safe adjustment button to extend the connectors. Align the ISO-Safe connectors with the vehicle ISOFIX points, then click the connectors straight onto the ISOFIX points. There should be an audible click, and the ISO-Safe indicators should be green. Pull out the vehicle seatbelt and thread the belt through the 2 forward-facing vehicle belt slots at the back of the car seat, ensuring there are no twists in the vehicle seatbelt. Engage the vehicle buckle and pull the vehicle belt to tighten. Press the ISO-Safe release button and push the child seat back until it is snug against the vehicle seat. Double-check that the child seat is secure by pulling on the ISO-Safe connectors. Press the tether adjustment button to lengthen and extend the tether over the vehicle seat. Connect the tether hook to the vehicle's anchor point, then tighten the tether until the indicator is green. Press the harness adjustment button and pull out the harness to loosen. Disengage the buckle. Place the child in the seat. Pull the shoulder harnesses over the child's shoulders. Then click the buckle. Pull the shoulder harness adjustment to tighten the harness, ensuring the child is secure. Bold has an extended harness rating that allows you to use the 5-point harness all the way up to 25 kilograms, which is approximately 7 years old. Storing the shoulder harness for booster mode. Press the button on the harness adjuster and pull the shoulder harness toward you. Unbuckle the harness. Adjust the headrest to its highest position. Pull the buckle through the slot in the seat pad and then store the buckle in the harness hideaway. Detach the snaps on the seat pad. Place the shoulder harness straps and buckle tongues behind the seat pad. Reattach the snaps to recover the seat pad. The Bold can be used forward-facing without the 5-point harness for children between 15 and 36 kilograms, which is approximately 3 to 12 years old. Always install the child seat using the ISO-Safe connectors and top tether prior to placing the child in the seat. There are 3 recline positions for Group 2 and 3. Align one of the top red arrows with the bottom reclining indicator. The bottom of the headrest should be even with the child's shoulders and can be adjusted to one of 11 heights for proper positioning. Place the child in the seat. Pull out the vehicle seatbelt and pass the vehicle waist belt through the waist belt slots. Engage the vehicle buckle. Place the vehicle shoulder belt through the shoulder belt guide. For more detail, please review your car seat instruction manual. or visit www.joybaby.com.